Okay, hi traders. Here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video. Yes, and I'm going to show you how to trade based on Candlestick Psychology and on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I have done a call here because this kind of pin bar here is showing me not selling pressure, it's showing me buying pressure. Yes, and that's the reason why I entered into a call, because I'm expecting and I'm pretty much sure that this candle will close above this level at the end of the expiration time. Yes, and only in the purchase time, like I have explained in the ebook, it's doing some kind of panic. And that's the reason why I entered into a call. So let's see what's happening here. If price will close really above this support and resistance level, but I'm sure that this will happen, because if you get such kind of big wick, yes, large huge wick, so you see it will be close, but it will be above. Yes, it was above. So now I'm sure that price will go up from this level, because this candle here didn't convinced me. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm doing now a call, because I was expecting something else. I was expecting here a bullish candle. It was not a bullish candle, because if this would have been a bullish candle, I would have done a put, yes. But because this was a bearish one, I'm expecting now that price will reverse from this level, and that's the reason why I entered here into a call. So let's see what's happening. Yes, market is doing again some kind of panic. There should be another support level, really strong one. Let me see. Yes, here something like this here. You see, we are here something. This is a strong level here, yes, because you see price is getting again and again against it and will retrace back. Yes, so let's see. Okay, it was in the money. So this one here is showing me now that price will go up, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call. I'm expecting that we are getting here a mini double bottom, and that's the reason why I entered into a call, expecting that price will go up. So let's see what's happening. Price is still pushing down, yes, because of this support level, but this is looking here that we got the first test, then we got here the retest. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm doing a call. And after this, probably my price will go in an uptrend. Yes, that is what I would expect here. So, because this candle is a huge candle, it could be that we get also a retracement before we will get into a trend continuation. So that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye. So I'm waiting that price will go down again. Yes. A little bit more down. Okay, if not, I will enter anyway. Yes, I enter anyway, because I'm sure that price will go up. Why? Because this candle here, yes, this candle here, we have a resistance, yes, and price will most probably break through this resistance, yes. That is what I'm expecting, because this candle here already broke this area, yes, and so we have conquered already this kind of area. The buyers got already here in control, yes, and because we have the wick here, and this is at the 50%. Okay, you see, so I will do another call now, because I'm sure now that price will continue to going up, because these wicks here are showing me buying pressure. Yes, and that's the reason why I'm entering again into a call, expecting that price will go up. Yes, so and you see price is already moving up, and I'm pretty much sure that this will be also in the money. And then after this, maybe if this candle will break through the black line, we are getting in an uptrend. Yes, depending obviously if this will be a huge candle or not. If it will be a huge candle, you can expect that the next candle will be a retracement again. Yes, so I would not enter into a call again. And I have drawn this kind of support and resistance based on what? I don't know. Yes, based on this kind of Bollinger Band here. Yes, the Bollinger Band here showed me this, and you see how strong this area is. It acts really as support and resistance. Okay, so that was it. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.